I see on the forum that you are having trouble with Wi-Fi at school. I have some suggestions that might help your Wi-Fi work better at school that you can try at home. If you get on your laptop at home and you're able to connect to your home Wi-Fi, then you're going to go to the search bar at the bottom and type in company portal, or if you just type in part of it, it'll show up. So you can click on open. If you see sync this device, you can choose that, but if you don't, just click on open, and then you're going to click on the gear at the bottom, and then you're going to click sync. And what you're trying to do is to get your laptop to update, and that's one way to do it. And so sometimes it might take a while. You'll let it take as long as it needs to. Once it's finished updating, it'll come up and it'll say sync is complete. I'm going to pause the video while it syncs so you can see what it looks like when it's finished. Okay, when it's finished, it's going to say last sync was successful. So once you have done a successful link, come down here to the bottom and you're going to restart your laptop. Click on that and restart. Once you do that, once you've restarted, then you can go back to your internet. Oh, well, you won't be able to try this at home. So when you get to school, it might be that that's everything you need. Let me show you one more thing you can do since you're already at home trying to make sure everything works. You can go down here to the bottom and click on Software Center. And if you have a Software Center, you can open it. And you can look for the programs. And if there's a program that says something about a certificate, that is the one that you will choose. I wish I had one so you could see it as an example. But if you click on updates and see if there's something here that says certificates, you would just double click on it, and then if it comes up and asks you if you want to install, you'll click install, let it go through and install, and it should ask you to restart your laptop again. So if you have a chance to install the certificates from the Software Center, that's another thing you can do to help you be able to get Wi-Fi at school. I hope this works. We're going to try to get to you one at a time and get to everybody soon, but maybe this will work by doing this at home. Thanks for your help.